Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Twitch streams with drops enabled. So let's begin. So there are actually drops for very limited or time limited items for specific games, and you can actually obtain these from Twitch. For example, you actually need to find streamers that have drops enabled under their tags or over here. So in order to do that, you can actually go to the search bar and look up for drops enabled. Okay. So we'll show in here. There's going to be quite a few. Mostly it's going to be co-op or multiplayer games. So as long as it has a tag or let me see, if there's any more game. Yeah, there's actually more. So as long as you're going to click on any video and just follow the rules on how to get rewarded, mostly you need to watch like 30 minutes minimum. And once that has been achieved, Twitch will actually notify you right over here on your notification uh, icon, and they will tell you that you can now claim your drops. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.